50,000 and
Okay. Good morning, children.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Sleeping. I was checking you. Till now we were saying good afternoon. Yes. You feel sleepy?
Yes,
Yes.
no, ma'am. No, I
You ready to learn?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready to learn.
Yes. Okay. Angelina, what you are asking me? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, when we minus 60,000 by 599, we will borrow from the 6, right? Starts borrowing
We have
from
to
the
borrow
6.
from the first number, which we cannot borrow from 0. Yes. So we have to go to the next place.
Yes, ma'am.
That also, if it's 0, you have to go to the. We are going to discuss subtraction now. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
So in the okay, children. So in the last class, we were discussing only about addition, and addition. What we were doing, carryover is there. And I told
Yes,
you know,
ma'am.
as I told that we know this addition from our KG classes, but here we are doing with large numbers. Same, we are going to revise the subtraction, then only we will start our workbook questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
are you ready to do the subtraction? So,
Yes,
first,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
okay, children, please
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Wait. What you have to do? First, you have to write the big number on the top. Okay. Big number on the
top.
So small ones can be subtracted from the large numbers, and that you have to be careful. So usually children makes mistakes on, even though we know subtraction from our KG classes, some children still they will keep the small number on the top, then it will be, your answer will be wrong. You will not be able to complete. So what you have to do, keep always the big number or the large number on the top. Below, you will write the small number. Then what you have to do, if the number on the top is small, you have to borrow. This, you have to be, it should be there in your mind. Then only we can do subtraction properly and fast. Okay, children. So, first, you have to place the number one below the other in place value chart. Okay, so we will do one. Chris Joe, you can ask me that personally, because not be able to discuss that now. Okay, it's not clear to me. Okay, you can send that me personally. Okay. Okay, so children, we can take 3, 4, 8, 6 minus 2, 9. Okay. So I'll take here. 1 minute, I will clear. So if I say subtract 3964 from 4986. So children, which number you have to write first, Diya? Please unmute and speak. Which one you have to write first? Is it 3964 or 4986?
4,986.
Okay. So after from which number? That is big number. You have to take first 4986 minus 3964. Here there is no borrow because here all the numbers on the top, that's big numbers. So Angelina, can you say the answer? Children, no need to write now. I will give you time to do the next questions. Okay. Yes, Angelina, please unmute.
6 minus 4.
It's not here. Louder.
6. Ma'am,
6 minus 4.
6 minus 4, 2.
2.
8 minus 6, 2.
8 minus 6,
2.
2. 9 minus 9,
0.
0. 4
1.
minus 3,
1.
1. So this is the answer. So what you have to do? Subtract here one number from another number. You have to place the big number on the top. Then you have to subtract the smaller number from there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Angelina was asking me one question, no? Yeah.
Ma'am.
Okay. So here I will start with one small number, 100 minus 91. Okay. So all the children, please pay attention. Don't write anything now. Here, like this question, many children were making like mistakes. If you are not careful, here, some children even without saying 0, minus 1, 1. That all things you will do in class 1 or class 2. Now you have to think, okay, can I borrow anything from 0? No. So what will I do? I'll go here. Next place value. There also 0. So what do I have to do? I will go to 100 place. So here I will cut, that will become 0. And this 0 will become here 10.
10.
And this 10, from this 10, I'm taking 1
2,
there.
then
Yeah, in the units place. Now, when you give this 1 to the unit place, this 10 will become 9 tens only. Now only we can start subtraction. Okay, children, is that clear? You have to make the number on the top big. Then only you will be able to do. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Here, 0. So the answer is 9.
9.
Okay. Now how will check the answer whether your answer is correct? You can take this number and this number, add and check whether you are getting 100. So what you'll do? You'll take 91 plus
9
9, then
is equal
1 plus
to
9, 10. 1 carry
10.
over.
1 is
1
carry
plus
over.
9, 10.
10.
So you got
100.
So we got our answer, that 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Okay.
We will do one more like this. Okay.
It becomes
So
big numbers also same as this.
yes, all the numbers we will do same like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I want to take 991 from 1000, what will I do? Anusri, can you please unmute and tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I take 1 from 0?
No, ma'am.
So
We
I'll
can't
go to,
take.
there also 0. Here
Yes.
also 0. So what will I do?
Then we will go to the thousands place.
Okay. From here I will take and this 0. Okay. Then?
It will be 0. Then that 0 will be 10.
Yes. In 100 place. Yes?
Yes, yes, ma'am. The 100
Okay.
place.
Okay. Then?
And after that, we will borrow from that 10.
Okay. Then here it will be 10.
It will be 9.
Here 9. Okay. Very
9.
good. Okay.
And there is 10. Then we will borrow from that also.
Here also we will take
So
here the ones place that become now 10. That is
10.
bigger than 1. Yes. Now here it will
then
become
that 10th place it will be 9.
9. Okay.
Then
Now
we
only
will
you will
subtract.
start. Okay, Angelina.
Subtract.
Now only you will start our subtraction.
Subtract.
Okay. 10 minus 1. Anusri?
10 minus 1 is 9.
9. Okay. 9 minus 9. Okay, again, please continue. Please unmute and speak. Okay.
9 minus 9, 0.
0. And here also 9 minus 9?
0.
0. So our answer is 9 only.
9.
Understood? So how to check whether our answer is correct? 991
We should add
plus
191
9.
plus
Check
9.
whether you are getting the big number as 1000. That big number. 1 plus 9, 10. Again 1, 1 plus 9, 10. Carry over 1, 1 plus 9, 10. So when we start a subtraction, what do you have to do, children? You have to make the number on the top. If it is small, you have to borrow and make it the big number or the large number. Yes, children, is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So, if the number on the top is big, there is no need of borrowing. Yes, if the number on the top is big, there is no need of borrowing. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So we were discussing how we are doing that addition and subtraction.
And subtraction.
We are going to do now workbook questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. I will give you now 2 minutes to do question number 1, 2, 3 alone. After that, we will discuss.
Ma'am, I finished. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, those who finished, okay, keep it. Okay, very good. Question number 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Praveen, you have the workbook with you? Praveen? Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, tell me the page number.
And we are going to take
42. 42.
Page 42. Show me the page. Show me the page. All of you. Chapter 4, addition and subtraction. So 4.1, add and subtract. Okay. Large numbers. Okay, very good. Okay. What about others? Are you doing? Okay, children, start. Question number 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, those who finish, please wait. Okay, let everyone do alone.
Ma'am, I finished.
Wait. I'm checking. Who is that A? Who is that A? Can you turn on your video? A, only the name. Who is that A? Anyone knows?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. If video is off, how we can understand?
ma'am.
Is it Abhimanyu? Please turn on the video.
Ma'am, I didn't write my name.
And we want to see your beautiful faces, no, children? Don't you feel to see other children also? Since you are in your home, you are not able to see your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I think all the children, I think now till your age and all the children want to see their friends. But in higher classes and all, no, when we say turn on your video, the children, they are shy to open their video. But I think you people like to see your friends, yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So I will ask one by one. Some sounds disturbing when. Okay. So I will ask one by one. Okay. Devak, please say or read question number 1. Read question, then we will discuss the answer.
The sum of two numbers is 50,000.
50,000. Children, you can count the number of digits. That is 5-digit number. So that is 50,000. Okay. Then
The numbers are
you have to
dash.
find two numbers such that its sum is 50,000. That means you have to add two numbers. Then the answer will be. Can you say which is the option?
20,000 and
20 and 29. When you add, you will get 49,000 only.
yes,
So that's not the answer. Yes. Then
40,000 and 20,000.
it will be how much 4 plus 2?
6.
6. But I want only 50,000. I want only 5.
45,000 plus 5,000. And that's the answer.
You are reading all the answers. So can you tell me which one is the correct answer? Option?
45,000 and 5,000.
Yes, very good. So the option is?
45,000. C.
All the
C.
children, you get the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
45,000 plus 5,000, you will get 50,000. So the option is C. All of you got the correct answer, children? Those who
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
correct answer, raise your hand. Ah, almost all the children. Yes. Okay. Abhimanyu, can you show me your workbook?
And can you mute?
Ah, yes. Yes, very good. Now, can you tell me the option? What's the option? Abhimanyu, very good.
C.
C. Okay, very
C.
good. Okay, C. Now, Abhimanyu, can you read question number 2?
The difference between
Ah. Difference between 9,003 and 9,000.
9,000.
Difference means what? You have to subtract. Subtract and tell me the answer. Which is the option? That is very easy. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah. Only one digit is different. The
Yes.
unit digit 3 minus 0. Yes?
Three.
Only one digit.
3.
Yes, the answer is
3.
3. Very good. Tell me the option.
A.
A. Very good. All the children got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Very easy one. Yeah? Okay. Question number 3.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
sum. You know the children, you have to read the question properly. Sum means you have to add. Difference means what you have to do? You have to subtract. Okay. Rohit, read question
Your
number.
voice is taking, ma'am.
Okay. Rohit,
Ma'am,
question number 3.
of 3,800 and
Is it 3,000? Count the
No.
number of digits.
30,000.
Can you count the number of digits, children?
3,80,000.
How many digits are there? 6 digit. Yes, 6 digit means 3 lakh. Okay, Rohit, continue.
And
Sum of
2,10,000.
2 lakh.
10,000 days.
Tell me the sum. You can take your rough book, all the children. You can add. Don't make mistake.
5,90,000.
5,90,000. What's the option?
Option B.
D. Okay, children, option D. Yes. Anusri, yes. Okay. Option D, that is 5,90,000. Okay. Is it? Option. Yes, children, what's the answer? Anthony?
Ma'am, 5,90,000.
5,90,000. So what's the option?
B.
B. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Gautam, what's the answer? Please unmute and speak.
B. 5,90,000.
Option?
Option B.
B. And what about Anusri?
And it's option B.
B. Okay, all of you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Question number 4. All the children do alone, then I will come back to you.
Ma'am, over.
Okay. So the question is the sum of the digits in the 10 lakhs place of the numbers. So before doing the problem, you have to write the number. Now, the question is, we have two numbers. One is 36578 194. The question is, now Madhav, please unmute and read the question. We have two numbers. What do we have to do? Madhav, please read the question. Number 4. Can you please?
Excuse me,
Plus-
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Adinath, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Read question number 4.
the sum of the digits in the 10 lakhs places of the number. Number.
Yes. Here we have two numbers and we have to find the sum of the 10 lakhs place. Can you first tell me which is the 10 lakh place?
First number.
Which number?
1.
Okay, let me see one time. We will start. Children, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then lakh,
Lakh.
10 lakh, crore. Okay.
1.
Can you tell me which is the 10 lakhs? Which digit is there?
1.
1. So here we have 1. And the next number, what is that?
6.
6. Now find the sum of the digits in the 10 lakhs place. So which
7.
number is in 10 lakh place? 1 and 6.
6.
You have to find the sum means you have to add these 2
7.
numbers. Okay, Adinath, can you add?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Okay, very good. So option
D.
D. So question number, children, question number 4. What is the question? You have to add or you have to find the sum of the digits in 10 lakhs place. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to find which digit is in 10 lakh place. Here 1 and here 6. So when we add, you'll get 7. The answer as 7. So the option is D. Understood, children? Okay. Chris Joe, next one. Can you please unmute and read question number 5?
The difference between the digits in the crores place of 1 crore, 12 lakh 34,789 and 1 crore 12 lakh 34,789 is
Don't sit together, okay? So children, we were discussing the workbook questions. Yes, question number 4. The sum of, we were doing, which one? The question number 4, I think this one. Yes. We have to find the sum of the digits of 10 lakhs place. And we were discussing the answer, the 10 lakh place, that first, the digit is 1 and 6. And who was, Isha, can you please unmute and say the answer? 10 lakhs digit. What are the digits in 10 lakhs place?
1 and 6.
Okay, 1 and 6. And what is the sum of these two digits?
7.
7. Okay, so 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. And can you say the option? Which option? Option Yes, sir, Isha. Unmute. Okay.
The option is option D.
D. Okay, very good. Option D. Okay. Now, Dia, please unmute and read question number 5. Dia. Is there any problem there? Okay, Agnay, please read. Agnay, please unmute and read. Okay.
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, now Agnay start. Okay, I will call you next time. Okay. Can you
The
read
di-
question number 5?
The difference between the digits in the crow's place.
Crow's place. Okay. So what you have to do first, you have to identify the digits in crow's place. Okay. Then read the number. Can you read the number?
Of 1 crore,
1
12
crore.
lakhs, 12 lakhs, 34,789 and 1 crore, 12 lakhs, 34,789.
Okay. So I will write the number. Okay. 11. 1 we have. 1 1. Then 2 2 2. Then we have 0 double 2. So first, before starting, we will write the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. We have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. Okay. Then what's the next one? We have
Ma'am,
1 1.
fifth one, that,
2 3 4. 2 3 4.
ma'am, fifth one, that is not the number.
Okay. 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 Tell me that crores place. What is the number?
1,
1. So what is the difference between these two digits?
0.
0. Okay. So option
Option A.
A. Okay. So children, question number 5. You have to find the difference of the digits in crores place. So we know the crores place, the number is 1. Here also second number also 1. So 1 minus 1. The answer is 0. So the option A is the correct answer. Yes, children? All of you got
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we will do only this much today. The time is, yes, 3:15. Yeah. Okay. So thank you, children.